The youth of Hercules. Hercules was the greatest hero of Greece. He was, in fact, a demigod by birth, the child of a god and a mortal. His father was Zeus, and his mother was Alcmene, a princess of Thebes. He grew up in the royal palace. When only a baby, he showed his uncommon strength. Already he had an enemy, Hera, who was always resentful and jealous. The queen of the gods sent two big snakes after the child as he lay in his little bed. Hercules, who was not even 2 years old, woke up just in time. With his tough little hands, he grabbed each serpent by the neck and strangled them. The royal household, which had heard the commotion, came rushing in. They were astonished. Clearly, this child was someone special. The prophet Tiresias predicted great things for him. As Hercules grew, he received the finest education, though he was a slow learner and not very bright. The best masters taught him boxing, wrestling, and archery. He learned how to read and write, not common in those days even for princes, and all about music, both singing and playing. He learned horsemanship and how to drive a chariot, and as he grew older, he learned battle tactics and the use of weapons and how to lead men in war. One day, when he was 18, he was walking along the road and saw two women approaching, one behind the other. The first one ran ahead to reach him first. He could see that she was tall and attractive, with painted cheeks and lips. She said in a sweet, caressing voice, "Young man, you look like you don't know where you're going or what you're up to. Come see me sometime. I'll be good to you and show you a pleasant life. You won't have to work very hard, and you'll always have a good time." Hercules asked, "Who are you?" She replied her name was Pleasure, but people who disapproved of her called her Vice. Then the second woman came up.